What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest meme coins in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I just gotta say thank you so much to the Sheena community for showing me so much support on my last Shiba Inu video. Shiba Inu's girlfriend is making waves in the crypto space. Like I said in my previous video, I really do believe this is a project that could send for the next bull cycle because it holds up so well. This chart is so strong for it being a meme coin. Pretty sure this is how Shiba was in 2020, just chilling on the blockchain, small community, building, and then all of a sudden the meme coin craze took over, and then Doge starts sending, and then Shiba starts sending, and all the other dog coins that followed. There's gonna be a next cycle of that, guys, and it's full on meme coin season once again, dog coin season once again, and I really do believe that Sheena will be one of those plays that you regret fading for the next bull cycle. The bear market has been absolutely terrible. I am struggling through this bear market. I know a lot of you guys are as well. What happened with FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried? Don't worry, it's gonna turn around. And this is where you accumulate, you get in projects that you believe in for the next cycle. So if you hold Sheena token, you're a part of the Sheena army. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get this video into the algorithm so new eyes could see the Sheena project and how great it is. Like the video, subscribe if you hold Sheena. Guys, let's send it. I know the Sheena army is super strong. Now, before I continue further, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is very risky, very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, we could see just how strong this project is. It was holding, accumulating, going sideways for a bit. Then it had a huge move to the upside, but because of everything that happened with Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX, and all the fear and in the market, we would probably be continuing up further as we speak. But because of what happened with FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried pretty much frying the Bankman fried the crypto market, and every project took a huge hit and retraced down further. The great part is about Sheena is that it's still holding up pretty strong. It didn't even come back down to these previous lows down here. It's still holding up pretty strong. 784k in liquidity, 132k in 24-hour trade volume, $4.96 million in market cap, a great entry. 3.89k holders, guys, very decent amount of holders. The holders have increased since my last video. Imagine when Sheena gets to 10k, 20k holders, 100k holders in the future. You just never know when it comes to these markets, guys. The market is very unpredictable. $4.96 million in market cap for Sheena is a great entry point. 10x from here is $50 million, which is so easy to get to, especially when the market turns around. $500 million in market cap for Sheena from here would be 100x. And I wouldn't rule it out, guys. I'm gonna tell you why. Because of the meme ability that could surround Sheena when new retail, when the FOMO season is here and brand new people come into the market. Everybody will find out about Shiba Inu. Then they'll realize, wow, Shiba Inu gave me some nice gains, but it's such a big market cap. Isn't there other smaller caps that could give me even more gains? And then they'll find out about Shiba Inu's girlfriend. The meme ability of it is top notch, guys. And as you can see, if it was a project that would have died and gone somewhere, it would have already did so already, especially with this huge market downturn. The project is right here, holding up very strong. Community is still very active. Lot of tweets, lot of engagement on Twitter, even at the toughest times in the bear market. Now, there is people saying that Bitcoin could fall all the way to 14k, maybe even 10k before the bottom is in. Who knows? But I could bet you that Sheena will still be here going into the next market. A lot of meme coins have came out already that have come and gone. Sheena is still here, guys, and there's still people that are fully engaged with the community, and that's what you like to see in a meme coin project. I already went through the Sheena website and I liked what I saw last time. But you guys have to remember, this is a community driven token. The team is doing their best to develop anything they can for the project to push it forward. But what really matters for a project like this is the community working together, spreading the word of the project, being active through any market conditions. And that's what will equal success for this project. And like I said earlier, the community has still been active after my last time covering the video, and the community definitely has grown since the last time I checked out this project. Like I said, Sheena Army, like the video, subscribe, it really helps the channel out. Let's get to 700 subscribers. Now we're gonna go through some very interesting tweets that I found about Sheena, just to see where the community's headspace is at, see where the social engagement is at. We have a tweet from Kloroshi. Update for Shi and market. Looks like Shi is doing the front run of the market again, so I expect to see BTC and ETH to sweep. Something of note, Shi has a possible bullish divergence on the 4 and 12 hour, along with the possible bullish bottom forming on the 1 hour. And then we have images from Kloroshi showing the bullish divergence of Shi. As you can see on the RSI, guys, last time it came down, then it moved back up, and now it's back down here. Maybe might come down again, but then start moving back up on the RSI, guys. You can see here as well, here as well. You can see that, because take a look at the RSI at the bottom. Very interesting stuff. And this was yesterday. This was a tweet from yesterday. 43 likes, 14 retweets. Another tweet from Pallet Jacker, very legit name in the space. Is she setting up for a wave 3 or 5 of a parabolic run? I think it's very possible. 100 to 200 million market cap incoming. Then the wave after that, billions. Billions, guys. You know what billions mean for Shi? If we're at a $5 million market cap, right? Let's say we do a 200x. That's $1 billion in market cap. A 200x from 5 million, you know, quick maths, you know what I'm saying? But right here, Pallet Jacker even thinks we could go to billions. Not just one, multiple billions, guys. And who's to say it can't happen? Anything is possible in crypto. You never rule out anything, guys. And after such a horrendous and terrible bear market, I could only imagine when the Fed starts reducing interest rates. They might even stimulate the market a bit. You know what I'm saying? You never know what could happen in the future. Then all of a sudden we have a bull market like we've never seen ever before. And a project like Sheena could melt faces. I never rule things out, guys. Just never invest more than you're willing to lose. Be on the safe side and take profits on the way up. And right here we have Pallet Jacker's chart showing what the parabolic run could look like. Because as you can see, we're making higher lows, guys. You can see that. You can see it right here on the chart. We have another tweet from Royzy. Like a patient that needs heart surgery, Sheep token needs a burn mechanism. Here comes Sheena token, ready to operate. She is going all in. Don't get left behind. This puzzle is simple. ABC fix. Another tweet from Pallet Jacker. No fear, we hodl She over here. Grateful to be accumulating more. Your fave influencers panicking with their bags at the moment. Sheena believers adding more every ETH dip. Continue to notice the strength burn still consistent from community. Unstoppable token. 63 likes, 18 retweets. This is yesterday. Especially with everything that's happening in the broader market, you gotta be impressed by how strong She is holding. Have another tweet from Benny. She quick chart update. FTX crap broke out support line, but we will come back soon. 2 ways up, back to bullish support line. She stays bullish, higher low. Green way up, red way up. And then you see this is what caused the big fall. The whole market took a huge hit because of FTX. And then we got 2 scenarios. We could probably come down lower. This red line is probably if Bitcoin goes to like 14k. That would be the bottom, 14k. I don't think the bears are getting 10k, just like how the bulls didn't get 100k the last bull cycle. The green line would probably be if the market is super bullish and then we continue up further from here. I don't think we're gonna get 10k to satisfy the bears, just like how the bulls didn't get 100k last cycle. Now I could be wrong. Everything I say could be wrong. This is why it's not financial advice, but this is our crypto. Expect the unexpected, right? So we'll see what happens, guys. Just prepare. You never invest more than you're willing to lose, if you're getting into the project, DCA in, you know what I'm saying? That is always the smartest way. Another black swan could happen out of nowhere. The FTX situation definitely was a black swan. Bitcoin would be on, if the FTX situation didn't happen, Bitcoin would be on the way to 25, 30k, Ethereum on the way to 2k, but a black swan event happened because, as you saw, stocks did get bullish, and right now Bitcoin is following stocks. So if the FTX situation didn't happen, the market would be in a better spot right now. From Jama Pelson, how to avoid rugs and protect your capital. It's very easy. Find tokens that have been around for a long time and have proven records. They are much easier to invest in than the new coins of live peers. Tokens such as MRI, Shi, Sani, Bone, Linu, and Still. And like I said, Shi has been around for a while and the chart is holding up very well. Been around since earlier this year, guys, for a meme coin. That is very bullish, guys. We have a tweet from She Guy. The amazing techno geniuses here at Sheena Token are programming daily. Just you wait. You love to hear that. The team of She stay building during the bear market, figuring out ways and implementing ways to help the project grow, help the community grow, and also help Sheena's boyfriend Shiba in the process as well, which is very nice to see. Another tweet from iFOMO. I'm happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom. Sounds familiar? I hear Sheep founders and developers Satoshi Kusama talking about decentralization. She fully supports Sheep. 33 likes, 6 retweets. Now there has to be new 100x plays in the meme coin, dog coin space. There must be, and there will be new dog meme coins that run for the next bull cycle. I really do have a feeling, I really do believe Sheena is one of those. iFOMO, nice name by the way, believes it. Who's to say he's wrong? We'll see what happens in the future. Another tweet from OG Natoshi. She keeps it simple. Just BBHR, buy, burn, hodl, and retire. Sheena token, hashtag She. 35 likes, 8 retweets a few days ago. Community still very active. Social engagement still very active. That's what you love to see in projects. Meme coins in this space come out, they launch, they die. A week, 2 weeks later, they're gone. Maybe not even that long. They launch in a day, they're gone. Sheena has been around and holding up so well in the bear market, right? Like I said, guys, I'm just thinking what could happen in a bull market when there's so much new retail, seeing people become millionaires. Their friends are becoming millionaires from crypto, and they're like, man, how did I miss out? What could I do? What project could I find? They'll see a project like Sheena that's been here, community still active. They'll be like, maybe I take a chance with Sheena. You know what I'm saying? And then you multiply that by the huge amounts of FOMO that's happening at that point in time. You know what I'm saying? Just picture it, guys. Just picture it. Now, like I said, I could be wrong, and I gotta repeat myself often when I say that because projects could definitely fail. But always expect the unexpected in crypto. Still really like what I see with Sheena token. If you're holding Sheena, let me know down in the comment section. What do you think about the project? If this is your first time hearing about Sheena, let me know what you think. Let's have a discussion in the comment section. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos like this. I will definitely keep covering Sheena as long as the community supports Sheena army. Stand up, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have another project you'd like me to check out, let me know. Links to everything will be down in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.